Hey friends, it's Corey with Buying Houses Nashville. Today we're talking about how do I sell my Nashville house without doing repairs to it. The first question you need to ask is, can I sell my house without doing repairs to it? The answer is yes, you can. You're going to have to sell to an investor who's going to buy with cash, who's not going to be afraid to deal with repairs, with leaky faucets, with walls that need to be painted, with torn up floors, carpet, exterior work, landscaping that's been neglected. That doesn't scare an investor. They're not afraid of that. So, what do you need to look for an investor who's going to buy your house with cash? Well, one, you need to find someone who you trust. You probably don't know an investor, so if you're looking on the internet to find one, you need to find someone and meet with somebody, and you need to believe what they say and trust what they say. If you meet with someone and you get a bad vibe or a bad feeling, or you catch them in a white lie, that should be the end of it. Move on to the next one. Honesty. You got to have it. What's the second thing? You need to have somebody that's committed to getting the deal done and actually closing on your properties. There's a lot of so-called buyers or investors in Nashville who don't even buy the property. They come and meet with you, they get your property under contract, and then they go try to shop it out to another buyer. And if they don't find a buyer for your property, then they can't close on your property. And they've put you through 2 weeks, a month, 45 days, maybe even 60 days of dragging you down the street, and then you find out that they can't close on your property. So you've got to find an investor who's committed to actually closing on your property. What's the third thing? You got to have an investor with experience, somebody who's dealt with some things. We meet with sellers all the time who are going through some just crazy stuff. Bankruptcies, divorces, foreclosure, city liens, judgments, anything you can think of. We have seen every single scenario, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. That's part of life. Sometimes life is chaotic, and we're okay with that. So those are the three things that you need to find in an investor who you're working with when you sell your house.